chasse info. On fait circuler le faux.
Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Walker. I am here to help us all communicate across languages. How are we going to do that? 4 verbs, 4 topics, 4 aspects of life. Have, go, do, be. Core verbs that give us a lot of use with just a little. Home, work, fun, self. 4 topics that cover most of what we're going to discuss with people every day. Shared intimacy, purpose in creation, joy, celebration, and sharing, and all life on the planet. 4 aspects of life that help us connect to why we're speaking in the first place. So, let's use this structure, and without further ado, it's time to speak. Hello again. This week it will be French, le français. Now remember, have, go, do, and be become avoir, aller, faire, and être. So, let's put them to use.
Tu as faim?
Oui, un peu. Qu'est-ce que tu as comme dîner?
Rien, je vais la faire maintenant.
D'accord? Ça a l'air bizarre. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Je fais un curry de grenouille.
C'est quoi ça? That's it for this week. Thanks for checking out the series, and make sure to come back next week when we pick back up with Japanese. So, let's all continue to learn foreign languages and build a world of global respect and understanding for all people. For now, this is Walker, reminding myself and all of y'all, life is love and language is a bridge. A plus!